Zeno's paradox explained in 1 minute. Zeno was a Greek philosopher who lived in the 4th century BC. He's best known for his paradoxes, which are statements that seem to be true but lead to absurd conclusions if you think about them too hard. One of the most famous is the arrow paradox. Imagine an arrow flying through the air. Zeno said that at any given moment, the arrow is either here or here, but it can't be in two places at once. Therefore, it cannot be moving. But we know that arrows can fly through the air just fine. So where's the problem? The problem is that if you try to apply logic to this situation, you end up with a contradiction. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Or in this case, you can't have an arrow that's both moving and not moving. This paradox highlights the limitations of language and logic when it comes to describing reality. Sometimes our brains just can't make sense of things no matter how hard we try. So what's the solution? Well, there are many possible solutions, but they all involve giving up on some of our intuitive assumptions about the world. For example, we might have to give up on the idea of time being continuous and instead think of it as discrete. Or we might have to give up on the idea that things can be into places at once. But that's a topic for another video.